y'all redeeming the daily treat while it is incredibly broken is just like madness to me. What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Stop it! It's broken. I'm working on it. So I tried to roll out today. You thought you were built different. You're not. I was trying to roll out today the daily treat streak. I was like, you know what? It'd be fun if we tested this live. And guess what? It don't fucking work. Ow! So maybe, I don't know. Everyone's redeemed so many already. But maybe we just go back to a version prior to this. And Len broke the first streak anyway. So we'll go back. Let me check out this revision. Oh wait, let me commit this first. Try to fix daily treat streak. Hint, it's still broken, and I'll commit that code. And then I'll check out an older version of the code that I know works. And then we're gonna reboot the bot. And the bot is rebooted. So daily treats will work now. Oh, I can't even redeem my own daily treat. It's fine. Hey Renova, welcome in. Can we get a shout out for Renova? That'd be great. Tonight, y'all. Tonight we are doing a Lego build, and we're just gonna go ahead. We're gonna get over to that scene. I have to tell the music to play when it turns off like that. There we go. We're gonna build Legos today. Okay? That's what we're gonna do. And Renova knows what it is, because Renova designed this build. But for everyone else, it's a secret. I'm not gonna show you what it looks like until we find out what it looks like. Okay? I've even had to hide step 1 of the instructions. Actually, I am suddenly convinced... Oh wait, no, here it is. For a moment there, I was like, I am suddenly convinced I do not have all the pieces with me. But I do. Oh god. That was step 1. So step 1, finished. This was, in fact, a commission that my lovely wife did of Renova as a present for me. And it is very exciting. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to scroll up and welcome people in. First off, Len, congratulations on getting first. It's good to see you, and you as well, Rune. Welcome in. Do. Billy, hi Billy, I have to hydrate and stretch. This is the wrong water. Where's the right water? Oh, it's on the floor. Drinking the water. You can see that I've got the water. I'm gonna drink the water. Delicious. All right. Greeted Rune. Bay Harbor, welcome in. It's good to see you. Apple Juice, it's good to see you as well. I hope y'all are doing good. Nightmare, welcome in. I said hello to Renova. Reverb, hi. Moss, hello. Green Bean, I am doing well today. How are you doing today? Aqua, hi. Welcome in, Aqua. And then there were the YouTubers who came in early. Apple Juice, Green Beans, Blood Dud Eats Glue. That's a wild name. Tina, Demon. Good to see all y'all. I'm feeling well. We're gonna start this Lego build. I don't know how long it's gonna take, and I don't know what we're gonna do if I finish it. We might just chat for a bit. I don't know. We might try to fix the bot. Len got her daily treat. You love this music? Me too. It's good stuff. Okay, but step 1, this square. Step 2, this 2x4 on the back of this square. So far, so good. Now we got a couple of these 2x2 bricks. You're on the phone. Who's the baddest? Us. Hello. All right. The colors. I don't know what happened with the colors. I think Lego sent us some wrong colors. Because these should all have been the same color. But you know, sometimes that sort of thing happens. Billy recommended me to you, Moss? Aw, thank you, Billy. I assume when you say Ruben, you mean T-Billy Ruben, right? Sandwich? Or are we talking about a different Ruben? Hi, Chris Claudio. James Allred, hello, hello. Tina, hi, hi. Miss how it's done, done, done. How am I doing? I'm doing well. We're building Legos today. We've gotten the first 3 steps out of the way. So we're going to move on to step 4. Should I even show you the steps, or should I keep the steps a secret as well? What do you all think? Should I hide the steps from you? To add to the surprise of what we're building? Oh, Renova, I know. We know. We ordered them in black. They were ordered in black. This is what they sent us, so. Izzy! Welcome in, Izzy. We're making do with what we got, unfortunately. Rude Boy, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Scammed. Scam's a word for it. We bought these from Lego proper. That's what's crazy. T-Billy Rubin herself? Billy? Billy, are you trans now? Hey, you don't know where the femboy's at? Me either. But we'll get there. No one answered whether or not I should keep the instructions secret, so I think I'm going to. Now we're going to add to the bottom of these. We're going to add this little yellow bit here. Hey, Ghost, welcome in. Izzy, you wish you had Lego to build. You're desperate for something to build right now. I'm sorry. Ukuberry, thank you for the heart me. Did I say thank you? Someone else sent me a heart me. I think it was Izzy. Did I say thank you? Izzy, did I say thank you? Thank you, Izzy, for the heart me. Thank you, Ukuberry, for the heart me. I'd rather be a ghost, remember me. I think I might. Might be best if you do Bricklink next time. I'm thinking the same thing. I considered, because we have a few subs in here as well, I considered doing Bricklink to get those specific pieces. But, like, shipping is crazy. For, like, because it's like someone over here has this piece and someone over here has this other piece, so it's like we're making do. It's gonna be as close to your artistic vision as we could make it, without going into absurd shipping conundrums. Lady R, thank you for the heart me. Welcome in. And Allie, hello, hello. How you doing, Beans? Hello. We're building Lego tonight. Okay, this is an interesting piece. Let me see if I can find it in my pile of pieces. Oh, it's actually a bunch of pieces. I should actually look at the instructions. So on the back goes this one. And these are just pieces like this. So we got these two, and I need one more of these little square, not plates. What are they called? I'm doing good, Lady R. What's your exciting news, Allie? You got a pay raise and a promotion. I'm so happy for you. That is excellent news. Hey, Large, how you doing? Welcome in, Bean. You need a better username. Just saying. Alright, so this is step 5. Ignore the mismatched colors. Step 6. Something different. All right. Step 6, we need a 2x6. Yellow, like this. We also need a 2x4 orange, like this. We're going to put the 2x4 orange on the 2x6. I don't like... Okay, I need to adjust the camera real quick. We see... I know. Isn't that wild? I can adjust the camera settings real quick. It's also in like a crazy resolution, but I think our white balance is probably wrong, or our backlight composite. Oh yeah, it's always that backlight comp. That looks a lot better. What if I just turn it to 0? Is 0 best? No, 0's not best. There we go. Now you can tell that it's orange and yellow, right? Hey, Tara, welcome in. How you doing, Bean? What kind of Lego set? No, you cannot have the Lego set after. I mean, if Renova wanted to share, like, I don't know if that's possible to share, but could share, like, the piece list and the instructions after. So done with summer? Well, it's almost over. My eldest daughter goes to her first day of middle school tomorrow, so that's exciting. Can I do a face reveal? I've technically already revealed my face. I'd rather do it at, like, not YouTube subscribers, but, like, TikTok subscribers. I do a face cam stream for a certain amount of TikTok subscribers. I don't know what that number is, but I do it. All right, that's step 7. Hydrate and stretch. I can do that, Allie. Thank you. Here's my company branded water bottle. They do not sponsor the stream. They just pay me to live and do work for them. Tactician is a furry. Tactician is a furry. Tactician is a furry. Tactician is a furry. There's the hydration. This is my real face? No, this is not my real face. No, it's not my real face. Big ol' stretch. All right. Step 8. We need a 2x2 orange. Is it plate? I don't remember. And it goes right here. You gotta go, so you gotta be up crazy early tomorrow. Samesies. Okay. Step 8. Step 9, I need 2 of these. There's another one around here somewhere. Okay, 2 of these. And we're going to put them on either side of that. What was my first game console? When I was a young lad, my grandpa let me play on the console, on the big screen. It was an Atari 2600. I loved to play Asteroids on, like, the most beginner-friendly level. I also remember playing Adventure, but I don't ever remember figuring out what to do or how to get through it. All right, so we finished step 9. Step 10 is to take this and to put step 9 on it as such. You're playing Piggy? What does that mean? All right, step 11. I need some green pieces here. So we need this 1x2, and we need these 1x1 bricks. What set is this? It is a custom build that my wife commissioned from Renova Mox, and we're building it tonight. We put the green here. And here go the bricks. I'm not showing the instructions because it's a surprise as to what the final will be. It's a surprise. So I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the journey. All right, step 12. We need 2 2x3 plates. Got them. And they're going to go right on top of here to make that full size. I am not saying what the set is. And then we're going to put this 1x4 up here for step 13. And then for step 14, we need 2 of these guys. And these guys are going to go on either side. Oop, I broke off that piece. For step 15, we need a flat and a 1x4, and the way these go on, yes, a gray flat, is the gray flat goes in the middle, and the 1x4 flat goes on the back. These are plates. These are plates. So the 2x2 gray plate and the 1x4 green plate. I remembered what the flat ones were called, which is tiles. So these are plates, these are tiles. Got it. IRS, you cannot eat the Lego set afterwards. All right. We're moving on to step 16. We need 2 1x1 plates. There they are. And we need a 2x3 plate. And we're going to do sort of the same thing here. 2x3 there. The 1x1s here. Ta-da! Whatever it is, it's coming along. Alright, for step 17, we have a 1x4 plate and a 2x4 plate. Those are also going to go on top in sort of the same way. 2x4 plate there, 1x4 plate in the back. For step 18, we need 2 of these little triangle bricks. You can see they're triangles if I turn them on their side for you there. And we need 2 1x1 bricks, like such. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to put those in the front with the 1x1 bricks on the left and right. And then the little triangles towards each other on either side. Like such. You just notice the beans? Yeah, I have these too. I know Avery has them now too. I think possibly from the same company. And although this company just did not do a good job. Because look, the beans are here. They're like on the side of my hand, which isn't fantastic. And they've got like these words here. It's syrup. Oh no, not syrupy beans. No, I don't have syrup. We're not doing that. Okay, for step 19, we're going to start another little tiny build before it combines with the big build. We're going to start with this white 2x2 plate. And to that, we're going to add a 1x2 tile and a 1x2 plate with hook. And we're going to add the plate on top, or the tile on top of the plate, and the hook on that. So it's like that. Then we're going to grab another 2x1 tile. Another 1x1 hook, or plate with hook. And a 2x2 plate. And for these... Oh, I think I'm just rebuilding the same thing. Okay, and then those are going to go on the side over here. One on each side. No, I didn't get the Socksukeberry. What am I making, Snowy? I am making a surprise. We're going to see what it is. It's a Lego set that was commissioned by my wife as a present for me. Renova Mox, who was here in chat earlier, may still be here, did the design. And we're building it tonight. All right, step 23. I need one of these. Renova is still here. And hey, Jackie, welcome in. You found me on your TV? Nice, nice. I want to up my quality. And I fear that to up my quality, you may guess as much as you want to, but I'm not going to tell you if you're right or wrong. You can postulate. And we need 2 of these round 2x1s. Welcome back, Rune. Okay. And these are going to go up here. So the 2x1 here. And then the round ones are going to stack. Is it Perry? You got me. It's Perry the Platypus. It's the bird from How to Train Your Dragon. I love you guys. Okay, like that. Step 24, we're going to add these things that I have no clue what the hell you call these things. There's no possible name for them. And a 2x1 brick. And they're going to go on top here. So these 2 guys and these 2 guys. Are these real Legos? They are real Legos. Those are headlight bricks? Holy shit, they have a name? Of course they have a name. And of course you know what. They're probably on the parts list in the back. I could probably just look up what they're called. I cannot. They're just numbers. Couple of 2070s. Couple of 4070s here. In lightish blue. I think that's gray. Oh, lightish blue-gray. Okay. Why does it look like my model? I don't know what you're talking about, Evie. Okay, then for step 5, we're going to start on another little section. We're going to grab another one of those. Oh, no. We're going to grab one of these, which also probably has some name. These aren't headlight bricks, but they have side pegs. They're 2x1 bricks. It says to start it like this, where these are pointed down, so kind of like that. And on the bottom of those, we're going to put this white 2x1. My daddy's got a gun, my daddy's got a gun, you better run. And then it wants us to make a little house with them here on the bottom of that. So something like this. That's step 27. For step 28, we're going to add it right here. So it's going to clip in onto the headlights, and it fits perfectly. It's kind of incredible the way that works. That's amazing. I've never ceased to be amazed with what you can do with Lego. Okay, next we need 5 of these guys. They don't even get a name. They're just these guys. And they're going to go all around. Just do it. I am just doing it. Daddy's got a gun, you better run. And then up here, we're going to put another one of the little round guys. And then we need these guys. We need a round 2x2 and a 2x2 plate. And it looks like those go right on top of that. Oh, this is the wrong... Is this the wrong piece? It's got a hole in it. I don't see a hole in it in the picture. It looks like it doesn't matter if it has a hole in it or not. Okay. And then the 2x2 plate on top. And that is step 31. All right, on to step 32. We need 6 of these guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a piece stuck in here. Oh no, it's like actually stuck in there. How did... Uh-oh, chat. I need something thin and strong. Reverb. I've answered this question many times. I'm not telling. Yeah, we've got a little red piece in there. So we're going to try to gently encourage it out. Okay, it's out. Three. Could check in the inside of all of them now. 4, 5, 6. Okay, and these are going to go all the way around as well, with 2 in the front area, 1 on each of the sides, 2 in the back. That was close. I was really worried there for a second. All right, next we need... I don't have that piece. Uh-oh. Is it one of the bags? No, I just don't have that piece. Okay, I need to check for a second to see if I have enough of the rest of the pieces, that maybe it's something I just throw together with the pieces I have. Hold up. Sorry, chat. Give me just a second here. What? What are all those pieces for? Okay, so that's that piece. Okay, so I think I get to assemble this piece with what I have. So instead of like a corner piece here, we have to use these little guys, which isn't going to be as secure, but it is what it is. And then one of these. And that'll go right here, like that. Jackson, you're going to trade in your Xbox 360 to get money for PS5 games? Okay. That's an approach. Okay. Now step 34. On top of these are going to go some more pieces. I'm going to take another 2x4. I'm going to adjust the camera again, just slightly. I want to adjust where the focus is. Oh, the focus is on auto. There we go. I think that's generally better focus for what we're doing. Okay. Is that a Simpsons character? Maybe. As I've told everyone else, I am not answering what this is, but we will find out. We're all in this together. Well, not me. I know what it is. But everyone else gets to be surprised by what it is. It is a commission that my wife commissioned Renova Mox, who is in chat. Their username is in the title, to put together like the instructions for this build. And tonight we're building it together. So I also need an interesting piece. I've never seen this piece before. I'll go there, and then a little yellow piece here. I guess those are orange. I guess then you pick of it, you can't stay to the end of the stream. I think we're going to finish this way before the end of the stream, and I'm going to be left trying to figure out what to do for the rest of the stream. Okay, step 35. We need a yellow 1x2 plate. We need a red 1x2 plate. We need a yellow, an orange. Do I have an orange one of those? Yes. One of these, a slope. We're going to put the slope pointing that way here. I'm going to put the yellow piece under it. And we're going to put the red one up here at the top. Like that. And that's step 35. Hand reveal. Yeah, hands. I have hands. Look at that. Hands. No, no. Da 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 da. It's clearly a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Obviously. Okay. For step 36, I'm going to need 2 eyeballs. I'm going to need 2 little yellow slopes. And I'm going to need a 2x1 yellow plate with a dot on it. And the way this is going to work is we're going to put the plate here in the middle. Gay, hi Milo, welcome in. I'm going to put the slopes on either side of that. And then we're going to put the eyeballs here on the sides. It's a tree. Hell yes. How you doing today, Milo? Alright, for step 37, I need 3 of these rounded 1x1 plates on one corner. And I need one of this fucking thing. That's the best name I have for it, is this fucking thing. And I gotta figure out where they go. It looks like this fucking thing goes here. And then the plates, one goes up here, flat on the top, like that. One goes the same way here. And then this one points down. Like that. Hi, Tactician. Tactician is a furry. Tactician is a furry. Tactician is a furry. Tactician is a furry. Hey, Coraline, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. How you doing today? Don't diss on the goated 1x2 curved slope. Is that what you call this fucking thing? Because it's not just 1x2. It's got like... It's wild, Chris Dremmer. It's just a curved slope even though it steps off. You're like, oh. Yeah. I don't have anything against the piece. It's just I can't figure out what the hell it would be called. 1x2 curved corner slope? I don't know, man. I gave up. It's pseudo. Fantastic. Nezzy, hands! Hands! You can see there where I got a scar. It's D's nuts! Excellent, Chris. Welcome in, by the way. I hope you're having a good one. Okay, I got all those pieces on. So next, for step 38, we need 1x1 plate. 1x1 plate. Whatever you call this fucking thing. And a 2x3 orange plate. Find happiness in misery. And it looks like a lot of them are going up here. So we're going to put the orange plate first, because that helps us out a lot, knowing where everything else goes. It goes right here in the middle. We put this little 1x1 plate next to it. Oh god, I've broken everything. It looks like this red piece goes here, coming off the end a little. And then this red plate goes next to it. Like that. Winchy Delta on my rune till I switch exclusive content. Crazy. I don't even know what to do with that. Nezzy, it's fine, you have multiple scars. Me too! Alright, step 39 is simpler. We just need this 1x1 red plate and whatever you call this fucking thing. And then I'm going to stare at this real hard. Okay. So this piece goes here. And then the red plate goes here. You think that's a half curve plate? I love that people know the names for these things. I sure don't. We still don't know what this is yet. When she under on my tail till I, quote, I have 999 attack and 999 defense because I'm Sans phase 2. That sounds hard. Maybe I won't play Undertale. Okay, step 40. I need 2 of these guys. We keep calling them curve plates. It's a Lego brick. Is that a chicken? It could be. Who could know? Not me. I'll never tell. And it looks like they go up on top here on either side of this plate. Ta-da! Wait, no, play that shit. They're not flat, they're slanted. Cool. Honestly, it looks like he's building an old gay guy. Probably not. Alright, and then we need a bunch of wacky fucking plates. So we got this step curve plate thing. I don't know. You guys come up with names for it. Wait, do I have that weird piece? I don't think I have that weird piece. Do I have a replacement for that weird piece? Oh god. I don't know what I'm supposed to replace that weird piece with. I feel like this was talked about, and I forgot because it was so long ago. The piece 47458, which was really hard to find. Wait, this is... Oh, this is squared. Does square mean we don't have it? Shit. I probably just replace it with a couple other pieces that aren't used. This piece is used. Renova, help! Wait, which of these pieces do I have that aren't on the list? It's this piece. It's replaced by this piece, which is not at all what the artist wanted, but it's what we've got to do. I'm gonna point it this way. Don't you spam on my tongue till I big shot? Maybe I should write these down so you know what the plates are called. Try to do knockoff Lego sets? No, thank you. No, thank you. Is it a chicken jockey? Kill me. I should have the brickboard parts thing on my wall so I know what to watch. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay. I also need... one of these, which will go here. And I need a smaller one, a 1x2. Oh, it's right here, which will go here like this. You know, I'm going to turn this piece around, because I think that'll look better at the end of the day. Okay, and then on either side, we're going to take these guys. There should be two of them. There are. And on top of them are going to go these little things like that, with the slope pointing away from them. And they go on the sides like this. I was guessing... Biker Lover, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Hey, Deadline, welcome in. How you doing? You think you have stalkers? Why do you think that? We're guessing Doctor Who episodes based on screenshots to keep your mind off it because you have a phobia of needles. Oh, because you had your blood drawn to be tested just before I started the stream. Gosh, you're still there, man? Jeez. It's just like America. That's not a compliment. Alright, now there's a lot of pieces in this next step, so bear with me, chat. Two of these slopes. One of these tiles. Is that the right size? Yes. One of these longer tiles. This fucking thing. And then also this. Don't I have the pieces ordered by color? No, I dumped them all out on my desk. They were in two different bags, not organized at all. I wasn't about to organize them before this event. Okay, so on this, we're working on this side now. We're going to attach this big ol' triangle piece here. Does it stick out? I think it does stick out. I think it sticks out like this. Oh, you know what? It's down too low. I think it sticks out. It does stick out exactly like this. Okay? Wait, that instruction looks weird. I'm just going to ignore that it looks weird. Yeah. Okay. And then this piece is going to go right there. Is it down too low? It is. Okay, wait. I need to get up and get my little... Storm Chaser, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. No disrespect, Tina Ritchie, but I don't like brain rot crap. Fair enough. I don't care about politics. I only care about where the femboys are at. What am I making? Deadline, I am not answering that question. It is a commission. My wife commissioned a build creation for me, and I am building it. I do have a brick separator. I have to stand up from my desk to go get it, so I will be right back very quickly. And now I have it. I had to throw it at my cat the other day to stop him from doing something dumb. course I have a brick separator. What are you taking me for, a lark? Okay, it's supposed to go up there like that. Okay. And then the short piece looks like it goes exactly there. Nope, that can't be right. Yes, it can. Oh. The long piece then goes here. Sorry, Chad, I had to look at that a couple times. Not Tonks? Oh, probably Tonks, yeah. Fun fact. Ah! Thunder Cookie! Lollipops? Welcome in. Hi! Godslayer Lego. Yes, Lego! You never knew brick separators existed? They're very important. What did my cat do? I don't remember. It was a long time ago. I just hadn't picked it up. Oh, from the floor. And then these guys are going to point up. Like that. Okay? And that ends step 43. Step 44, I'm going to put this old big piece on top of those little pieces. Just like this. Step 44, done. What could this possibly be? Am I going to play the new Lego Batman game when it comes out? Probably not. I just don't have a ton of time. Alright, step 45. We're going to need one of these little 1x1 slopes. We're going to need a 2x1 slope. We're going to need 3 of these fucking things. Whatever they're called. Nobody knows. Alright, and the way this works, it's very hard to see, is that, oh, I need 2 of the 2x1 slopes. Like that. How do I stream YouTube and TikTok at the same time? Skills. I have lots of them. I use them to stream. You'll never know. When you lay on my go till I brick separator. Oh man, you're really pushing. You're really like stretching it now. Okay, and these are going to be pointing up. So one goes on the very top. One goes here. One goes here. And then under it, we're going to put these 3 guys like this. Just like that. Nitro full. You're sorry you just broke up with your BF. You kind of need someone to talk to. I am not that person, but you can hang out here and chill if that'll make you feel better. Thank you for the boobs, Michael. I appreciate them, y'all. No matter what platform you're on, you can type !boop and it will boop me. And you can spam it as much as you want. There's a TikToker who's a master builder who helps people ID Lego pieces. Pretty neat guy. I have the numbers for like all of these pieces. I just can never remember what they are. And some people will give me fun names for them. And I can never remember what those are either. Okay, so now we're doing the other side. And I need this, these 2 things, and then 2 of these slopes. And it's going to go similar to the other side with the big plate here. The little plates making kind of a triangle of sorts. The slopes at the bottom pointing upward. And then the bigger plate next to them like that. Question for me, what's up, Trix? Hi, welcome in. My VTuber avatar tricking all over the place is funny. Was it? The camera, can have trouble figuring out where I am and where I'm supposed to be. So it can jerk around a little bit. And that's silly. I don't, It works best if I'm playing video games. I'm going to be honest with you. Blue, pink, purple, or orange. I'm going to go with purple. When she's stretching on my joke until I stop being funny. That's the one. That's the one. Nailed it. Jackson, you're going to play the new Lego Batman games on the PS5 when it comes out. You want the disc, not digital? Why? Out of curiosity, why? Ugh. Okay, so we got those on. Step 47. We need these 2 big plates for the back. Trix, thank you for the Night Star. I appreciate that. Thank you. I've never seen that gift before. That's a really cute gift. Okay, step 48. I need these fucking things. Aw. I can't do the newfangled one very well. I think it's like this. I don't know. Ear scritches, thank you, Len. I saw you and Rune got some Queen Clover cups before they went out of stock. Ha, old. God damn it, Dubbins. Alright, so step 48 is do this. Step 49 is attach these guys to them. Hey, Dubbins, did the War Doctor ever get a number, or is he just the War Doctor? Step 50 is put another piece behind him. What on earth, Chris? You didn't hear the question? I asked if the War Doctor ever got a number, or is he just the War Doctor? Okay, and then step 51, on top of those go these little yellow ones. He's just the War Doctor. So this is what we got so far. Step 52. We need to put these plates on. And then also this little bit like that. That looks right. And then the final step, step 53. These on my arms, they are warmers, Milo. And there we have it. The build is complete. What do y'all think this is? What do y'all think this is? It's me. It's me. Wonderfully done, Renova. Yo, you, Nyavarr, it's an old fox. God fucking damn it, Dubbins. My mom! It's a deer. I don't see antlers on it. I don't see antlers on it. Can you have it? No, Milo, it's mine. You'll hit? You gotta be small, and then that's still gonna be painful. I don't know what to tell you, Milo. That's not a good idea. Oh, his little nose is crooked. But that's it. Stream's over. No, I'm kidding. I don't know what to do with the rest of stream. Chris. I like that joke. It's a little Nyavarr. Thank you, Renova. Wait, I did something wrong. There we go. Fixed. I should tell Milo he's stinky? Why should I do that, Dubbins? That seems mean. Play old video games? Damn, a hand reveal. It's not even the first time, Noxie, but welcome in. How you doing, Bean? It's good to see you. We did Legos today. I just built this. With instructions from Renova Mox. He's a little me. I didn't expect this to go so quick. We did it in under an hour. I don't know why I thought it'd take longer than that. Milo, you'll make Dubbins sink? Oh my gosh. Assassin Boy, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, Bean. How you doing? Chris, you know who else has dementia? It's still you. I'm so sorry. The War Doctor doesn't have a number. You said there were a lot pre-1 doctors, didn't you? The Doctor doesn't matter the lore number doesn't matter anymore with the new lore that came into effect in Jodie's era. Because now there's the Fugitive Doctor that came before the first Doctor and a whole lot of other doctors before the first Doctor. I see. Thank you for the ear scritches. Milo, no, you cannot has. The best I can do is, if Renova is okay with it, I can distribute the instructions that Renova made for this so that other people can build it. You want to build it? Would that be fine, Renova? If I distributed the instructions? The 14th Doctor that had the same actor as the 10th Doctor. I remember that. It's like, I remember these teeth. I know these teeth, which is one of the wildest things anyone could ever say. But look at the little guy. Celso! Did I welcome you in? Hi, Celso. You got the daily treat dough. Flake, welcome in, Flake. We're doing Legos tonight. We built a little mini-me with instructions from a member of my community that my wife commissioned to make a whole build. I was hiding them so that people couldn't see what we were building. Blaine, you're so happy. Do I know the anime Naruto? I do know the anime Naruto. What about it? Pineapple, what's up? Give the Lego a little kiss. Val Procyon, welcome in. You were playing Emerald? How did that go? Thank you for the raid. Welcome in, Raiders. Raiders, oh, welcome in, welcome in. I hope you had a wonderful stream. What? Is that 2? What's happening? Ruboy Brian, thank you for the raid as well. Oh my gosh. It's 2 of y'all. Welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it from both of y'all. Welcome in, Raiders. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Nyavarr. I am your favorite femboy fennec fox variety VTuber. Normally on Tuesdays I play VR chat, but my office is a little crowded right now, and so I ran a poll and chat decided that today I should do Legos. So we did a Lego build that my wife commissioned from Renova Mox, and it was a little mini-me. It's adorable. You hope I'm having a good stream? I'm having a great stream. How was Pokemon Emerald, y'all? My bot only shouted out one of you. That's interesting. Will it shout out the other one? Ruboy, were you also playing Emerald? How did stream go, y'all? You like the mat? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. It's very pretty. I got it off of the TikTok shop, TBH. Was it base Emerald or a ROM hack? That's a good question. And Sukuna, welcome in. It's going well. You're teaching Bri how to play Emerald with a Soul Link Nuzlocke? You lost the run. You gotta go now. All right, Dubbins. Thank you for dropping by. I appreciate you. I hope everything goes all right. So yeah, we did it. Why my shoutouts not working? Billy, I don't see you typing shoutouts, first of all. Because there's a special command that the bot does. And I think I had it set up to queue shoutouts. Oh man, the bot actually crashed because of the double raid. Okay. Interesting. too many announcements for this channel. I didn't see you type that, Billy, but oh, there you go. Yeah, can you run that again, Billy? It didn't work because the bot crashed. No way Siamese, good music taste. Thank you. Good job, dear. Hey, Billy. All right, the bots. Man, we're finding all sorts of bot problems tonight, huh? I didn't even know that it could crash with 2 shoutouts. Tina, you cannot eat the Lego. Oh, but yes, stream went well for you guys, right? You were in a Soul Link Nuzlocke, but you lost the run, but stream still went well, I hope. Chat was good to you, I hope. If they can't eat the Lego, can I eat the Lego? No, Bloodud, you cannot eat the Lego. No one can eat the Lego. Scruffy Possum, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it, Bean. Bry is also going to MFF. Oh, man, nice. Val Procyon, am I saying your name right? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Chris, can you eat the moss? You can eat the moss. Yes. Stream went fantastic. It was very fun. That is excellent. That's always the best. Say blue dude. Val Procyon's correct. Excellent. I love getting stuff right on the first try. Nailed it. First time, every time. Yes. Say that again. Say what again? Can you eat the moss? You can eat the moss. Blue dude's how I pronounce it, but it's not spelled blue dude. Billy, I've got the Legos right here. What Legos did you eat, Billy? Fantastic? Stream went fantastic? What about me saying fantastic, Chris? I'm confused. Say that again. Fantastic. What is happening right now? I eat some Legos every night. No! I can make him derpy. Bro doesn't get it. No, he doesn't get it. Oh no! I broke his foot. I broke his foot making him derpy. Fantastic Four. I see. I haven't watched it yet. Don't eat the Legos. You have to head out. Have a wonderful night or a great rest of your day, Procyon. Thank you so much for the raid in. I appreciate it. I totally understand having to raid and run. Who ends stream when they can just sit at their computer for hours longer? So the other goober in here, Moss, will also be at MFF. He was at one time, yes. Good night, Renova. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for making this. I was asking, and I didn't get an answer. Would it be okay if we distribute the instructions so that other people can build their own? If you want your answer to be private, feel free to DM me. But I really need to know. You don't know? Okay. Sleep well. I'll ask again on a different day. What Legos can you eat? Ciao. They're friends from other streams. I'll get to meet them at MFF. That's excellent. Can I play Team Fortress 2 soon? Team Fortress 2? What year is it? I haven't played Team Fortress 2 in a good decade. Probably not. No, that's probably not happening. What about Japanese, Tina? Can you eat Japanese Legos? Do I play Minecraft? Not regularly. Pick me up. Yeah, I could use a little pick me up. Oh, go heck a little higher. The singing would be best if I could remember the lyrics. That would. Am I Japanese? No. Nihonjin dewa nai. Watashi wa ne Watashi, hontou ni Amerika jin desu. Nihon jin de wa nai. And there's no better evidence of the fact that I'm not Japanese than the fact that I cannot sing any Japanese songs. I have tried to karaoke songs like Idoru, but I can't. I cannot. It's impossible. Have I heard that Deadpool is going to be in an Avengers Doomsday movie? I have not heard that. That's very exciting news. Deadpool in the MCU is awesome, and I love that for Deadpool. What about my jeans? No, I have no Jap. I don't think I have any. Oh, excuse me, I'm a yawn. Oh, I don't think I have any Japanese jeans. Blue or otherwise. So yeah, I don't know where exactly I'm going to put this little guy. I feel like he's not safe on my desk. It is 10:22, Tina. I am aware. Give him a hat. Pineapple. I can't give him a hat. I don't have a hat to give him. All right, Allred. Good night. Sleep well. Pineapple, you thought it was pronounced Nyavarr? No, my name is Nyavarr. My screen name is Nyavarr. Nyavarr. Just kind of Nyavarr. Nyavarr. What? It'll be fine. It's not like you have cats. It's not the cats that I'm worried about with my desktop. It's like me knocking it off on accident. Or kids. Oh man, what do I do now? I have so much time. So much time for activities. Programming stream it. Programming stream it is. We'll try to figure out some stuff. We'll work on the bot live. Because when else will I get to do it? Kaizen, thank you for the BFF necklace. I appreciate it. Okay, we're gonna turn off. I'm in studio mode now, so I can, like, figure out what to do. What's your question, Billy Boy? Amber, hello! And hello, Kaizen, how are you doing? Oh, it looks like I can't fully do this until I just transition over. So let me go ahead and transition over and stop studio mode. And then I can fix TikTok so that they're not seeing my hand cam, but instead the window. Do I have it over there? Oh, there's display capture. What's your question, Billy Boy? Would I be interested in doing a Pokemon Nuzlocke? Maybe. Oh, I don't want to cherry pick that. Crap. Shit. Abort. Abort. I just want to check it out. Okay. Good on you, Len. So we're going to do some quick coding. This is the bot. This is the bot window. This is its stuff. And one of the things I was working on recently was... Amber, I've been well. How have you been, Amber? One of the things I was working on recently was creating a streak system where people can redeem a daily treat on Twitch. It's one of my redeems. And when they do, I wanted to start counting a streak for it. But when it was running, we got this unique constraint failed counters.name. So I think maybe the user ID wasn't coming across, which is a problem. So this user ID has to come across, or Yeah, that'd be like recent stream and then undefined every single time. So I'm guessing that's the problem. And I've seen it be a problem in other counters. So for example, where's the database stuff? I want to set up a data source. Give me the night and day. Tools. Window. Editor tabs. No, that's not it. Am I Sigma? I don't know what that means, man. Do I need to update this? Let's look at the JetBrains toolbox real quick. Not even the toolbox. What version are we on of WebStorm? 2023.3.5? No, we need to update this. So I'm going to open up the toolbox real quick. We're going to open up Gateway. And then for TanukiBot, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stop TanukiBot real quick. And we're going to update the IDE software that it's running to 2025.1. Just got to download that real quick, and then we'll get on it. Ah, thank you for the boop. I appreciate it. Hendrix, hello. Welcome in. How are you? Billy, watching Brian Val do Nuzlocke makes you want to do it. I've never been big into Nuzlocke. Because I'm not good enough at Pokemon. Nuzlocke are Pokemon on hard mode. Alright. Maybe now... Yeah, now I have the database accessible. Oh, it even has it here. So in database.db, you can see I have counters, quotes. Should be more here than that. Do I need to reconfigure it? Did I configure it previously? Schemas. All schemas, please. Download the missing driver files. Test the connection. Everything should be good. There it is. There's simple state. So if I go into my counters database here, I do see user IDs here. Per daily user, per daily first. You know, how many times that person's got first. So that is working sometimes. But sometimes, although these are all undefined. That's interesting. Can I sort by name? I can. So per user daily, and all of the snacks are undefined, which is interesting. That means that when it ran those, it didn't have a user ID. Isn't that interesting? So if we go look at server.js, because that is where we're doing stuff. Up here is the daily treat. Increment counter. And then... where's the per user? Increment user counter daily treat. Oh, and I forgot the user ID. Event.user_ID. So it should always be user ID. It looks like I've also tried to update the treat streak twice, which is bad. Lurk, enjoy your lurk, Celso. You never done one, but you thought maybe with a friend it'd be fun. That's even harder. That's where my terribleness would affect your game. You're gonna go, all right, Blue Dude. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate you. Amber, you're all right. You have to look after your cousin's dog every day this week after babysitting. Oh, that sounds rough, dude. Blue Dude, thanks for the boops. I appreciate them. I loved them so much. So I wonder if it was that first one that was being a problem. So here's the daily treat user, and we've fixed that. Here's the user counter. Here's the streak. Okay. I'm going to temporarily turn... Maybe I'm not. I'm going to temporarily... No. I'm like thinking through, how do I test this live without you people redeeming a bunch of daily treats? And all I can say is don't. Maybe I make them really expensive. So we're going to go to dashboard. We're going to go to viewer rewards, power-ups and channel points, manage power-ups and channel points. And we're going to go to daily treat. And I'm going to make it exorbitantly expensive. Okay? We're going to make it 1,000,000 points. And then I'm going to turn off the cooldown and limits. So that I can test it, and you guys can't do shit. Hey, Poop Poop, welcome in. How you doing? Alright. So we fixed that, and I want to see what happens now. So we're gonna restart the bot. And then I'm going to redeem daily treat. I'm going to do that on a different monitor so that you can watch what happens. So that we can all watch what happens when I try to redeem daily treat. Counter.get is not a function. Well, that's sure weird. Counter.get is supposed to be a function. But that's a different error. And we like different errors. Did you come out as trans today, Billy? Also, what did I say that's rude? I'm confused. So counter.get is down here. And streak counter should have a .get. Oh, it's saying this counter.get isn't. Wait, no. What line was that on? Line 470? How is this suddenly not... Increment user counter. That's supposed to return a counter. It's not asynchronous. Oh my gosh, it's not asynchronous. It's supposed to be. Wait, no, it is asynchronous. It returns a promise. Because this returns a promise. Ah! Rune, thank you for the heart me. I appreciate it. Oh, so... increment counter is supposed to return a counter. It's supposed to resolve with a counter. So then... Oh, you know what? I think it sends it as an array. So it should be like that. That will say that array item 0 is counter and array item 1 is streak counter. Let's restart it. We'll try again. This is what coding is like, y'all. Barely knowing what you're doing and testing it a bunch. There's my takoyaki and streak times 3 because I just did it 3 times in a row. Does that mean if I do it again, streak times 4? I actually don't know if that should be working or not. I shouldn't have a streak times 4, I think. Although the last thing would still be the same thing. So now if we refresh this, we should also see like a per-user daily, yeah, and then the specific treats have numbers on them. And I'll delete these undefineds, because they shouldn't exist. Let's actually sort name like undefined. None of these guys should exist. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same with the simple state database. Oh, that's not good. There should be a lot more in there now. I'm not in database initial, am I? I'm not in database initial. How did I have 4 then? How is that counter 4? Unless it's undefined here as well. Look at that, all curses 248. I could just delete it. We could be back to 0 as far as curses go. Rune, thank you for... I'm going to assume a heart me. Oh, there it is. Thank you for the heart me and for the popular vote, Rune. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I see that some moderation action was happening. I appreciate that. Ryu, hello, welcome in. How you doing, Bean? Man, it is apparently much harder to watch chat and program than anything else I've ever done. Okay, but the counter that we're incrementing here is called stream streak. So it would be per user stream streak, and here they are. Oh, some of y'all have them. They, like, worked even though it broke. But the simple state system should be holding some other stuff. Or maybe it's working simply because of some other stuff. So let me try something. Although, that's weird. So what I'm thinking is, the way that the streak system works, and I have it all defined up here, what I think the approach for the daily treat streak should work would be, is that, 1, we keep a variable of the last stream start date. So every time a stream starts, we're like, okay, whatever the most recent stream was, set that date to the last stream, and then set today's date to the most recent stream. Then, with those, we keep a per user variable of the last time a viewer redeemed daily treat. What stream identifier that was. And if that stream identifier matches what the last stream was, then we increase their streak +1, and then set their identifier to the new stream. So I shouldn't be able to go 2, 3, 4, 5. Not just because the limitations would make it impossible, but because the data changing should make it impossible. And that means that the data isn't changing. But to be fair, the data is only supposed to change when the stream starts. Although, oh, if previous stream equals the current stream, although that shouldn't have been it either. Although I don't think it was ever set. Tried a game called The Farmer has been replaced, and I should look into it. Remind me in mod chat. Copy. Thank you. So the bot doesn't work very well without knowing if the stream started or not. That's a problem I haven't quite worked on figuring out. But I think we've at least got the streak working. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to set the previous stream and the last stream manually. So that would be... We're going to create 2 new variables here. If I can remember how. We're going to create last streak stream. And we're going to create most recent stream. And then the format that these are supposed to be in is YMD with dashes, I think. Yeah. So the last streak stream, I'm going to set that to be 2025-08. Monday was the 18th, Sunday was the 17th, 16th. Okay? And then most recent, of course, would be today, the 19th. That's fine. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my per user, get user counter, get user counter name. So per user, stream streak. That honestly should be setting already. Hello, Fire. Welcome in. Per user, stream streak. Oh, and then my ID, which is... What? What is my ID? Oh, it's 38, whatever. 388388929. And then I want to close those so that you guys can't possibly see them. Oh, crap, it didn't load. I'm doing smart shit. Oh, thank you. 388388929. Okay. So now, this should increase my streak, and it should work. Oh, something went wrong. That's no good. What went wrong? Value 2025-08-16. What am I logging? Where am I logging? Console. There's a .debug there. Fire, I'm doing smart shit. You love how it says you're live with myself. Wait, what? I gotta go look at this now. Streaming together. Interesting. I'm not streaming together right now, though. Do I have guest star open somewhere on my computer? I wouldn't be surprised. I don't seem to. I'm ending the stream together collab. So if I go back to my own page. Okay, I'm no longer streaming together. That's weird. It's weird. It says I'm sharing a chat with myself. Weird. What am I doing on my computer? Programming. I'm trying to fix my bot. We're adding a new feature where it will count the streak of a viewer redeeming a daily treat, which is a Twitch-only feature. But it will count the streak of how many streams in a row they've done that. That's the goal here. Oh, duh. 2025-08-16 is what it's supposed to be set to. Although, that still wouldn't explain the error that we got. So, like, if I redeem it again here, it's still going to error. Something went wrong redeeming your treat. It's going to output the same thing, value. Oh, we're logging out the row. Why are we logging out the row? Error.message wouldn't be it. There's no console here. Is it in the streak system? Console.debug. That's not what we're looking for. Is it in server somewhere? There are a lot of console commands here. On error, catch error. Oh, the error being returned is the row value. Is the row. Why is the error being returned the row? But to make that clear, if I ever encounter it again. So that's obviously part of the user streak. So something in here is rejecting. I wish I could step debug. I don't know how to step debug in Node. So we can put it in a bunch of debug statements. Nice, Midwest. I'm happy for you. Okay, we're putting some debugs there. Console.debug, streak counter. Another console debug, streak counter. And somewhere in there it's failing. So we're going to find out where. I've got ones that are little. There we go, it's failed again. User last stream returned null. So this worked in so much as it fucking failed. Oh. Well, I'm using git instead of... Oh, no. I'm... Do I have a git user on simple state? I don't. So this should fail, because I didn't name it right. Which should be most recent stream dash user ID. But then the one that's actually causing a problem is get last stream. Which is another simple state.get. If error, reject error. I'm pretty sure that row is the first thing there. Let me just log out the arguments there. I'm going in blind, chat. I don't know what's happening here. I feel like I'm going in blind and it's crazy. But we'll just log out what the arguments are. And it's rejecting it. Why is it rejecting it? Oh. No, that doesn't make any sense either. Oh. I can't log out the arguments that way. Let's log out row error. I can't log... So, chat, I don't know if you're very familiar with JavaScript, but because this is an anonymous... Like, it's a... I don't know what these are called. It's a closure. It's like a short format closure. It keeps the same context as the previous real function. So, in that case, these are the arguments it's logging out, not the arguments of this function call. Just some fun facts for you there. Oh, I already rebooted it. Poor bot. I'm rebooting it a lot. We're going to try this again. Okay. So row is returning null, and error is returning a value. Is it error? Is error the first thing? Let me look at... I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be. We're going to look at the counter system real quick. No, it is. Error is first, and then row is second. That's on me. So that's our problem here, is that we got these arguments backwards. And I think for run, it's just error. Okay, so with that changed... Cross your fingers, chat. All right. User last stream returned null. That should be accurate. The last stream was the 16th. we've hit the database. So now, when I look at simple state, we're still not saving the user's last stream, which is a problem. I also want to remove those debugs. I don't think I need that one. Yeah, here you can see that there's nowhere that we're updating the last stream. So I'm going to put this dot simple state set. Have I seen any Terrifier movies yet? I have not. What is a Terrifier movie? And then this will be the recent stream. So this dot get recent stream. Oh my god, is this Dune? No, not at all. And I want to... Actually, I can afford to do this without caring about whether or not it works. So I'll just put a dot then, so that it can run asynchronously in the background, and I just don't care. Because I don't need to wait for that to also happen. So we're going to reboot. We're going to run daily treat again. Did someone else do daily treat? Oh, it was me. No one else can do daily treat. It's not Java, it's JavaScript. Okay. So, that's my treat. And if we look at simple state, we should expect so close. That's not... That's not helpful. It did try to set it, so that is progress. Do you ever win to... I have Aqua. I went to MFF last year, and I'm going to MFF again this year. So if you're going to MFF, you could meet me. But thought I know. This is JavaScript. This is Node.js. It is not Java. So what is... Oh, I need to await this to get recent stream. So it returns an actual variable rather than a promise. So we're not logging a promise. So let me go ahead and set this to what I expect it to be, which is 2025-816, which is to say that my viewer would have last redeemed daily treat on the last stream, which was the 16th. So we boot up. I start running, it moves the variables into their current positions, and then I, watching my stream, redeem daily treat. Streak times 2. So it saw 16, it changed it to 19, which is what it's supposed to do. So that means that I've done it two streams in a row. Now, I'm going to do something that viewers won't normally be able to do, which is to redeem it a second time. But now, because my date isn't the last streak stream, it should break my streak, and it shouldn't say a streak at all. And there we go, no streak at all. Ta-da! Now the only thing I have to worry about is that these variables get set properly at the start of the stream. But yeah, we're good there. So, we're going back to the chat screen. And I have once again ran out of things to do on stream. So maybe I'll just be done early, you know? Maybe we're going to have a short stream tonight. I could use the sleep. I'm not going to complain about that. Let me go ahead and reset daily treat to where it's supposed to be. And then, is there anyone in Twitch chat who hasn't redeemed their daily treat yet? Because you'll be able to actually help me out a lot with this by testing it. I'll actually go back to the game scene. All right, chat. Daily treat is set back to 1 point. It can be redeemed once per stream. Is there anyone here who hasn't redeemed it and would like to? And we can see you enter the database and get not your first streak, but like it's set up the streak system so that next time you'll have a streak. Anyone? Everyone's like lurking right now. No? That's fine too. Aqua, you want to meet me at a free con? That sounds fun. Are you going to MFF? Or are there any that you're going to? Sodai, when you were in high school, you learned how to program in Q Basic. Decades later, you're trying to learn SQL. Oh, I know SQL. Well, I know the basics of SQL. I mean, SQL can be so much more complicated. Jackson, if you're a Twitch viewer, there are redeems. One of them is called Daily Treat, and that's the system that we were just working on. And Daily Treat has been updated such that a streak system exists now. So anyone who hasn't redeemed it yet today, now is the best time to redeem it. And I can test it, and we can... Oh, my love, welcome in. Does that mean you're finished with stream? And there we go. We see that my love, Sarcastic Katie, has come into stream. She has hit 819. So if we copy her ID here from Simple State and we go to counters... She's not. You just encouraged her to do it. Oh, I forgot to set name equals. Oh, thank you, Rune. We can see that her stream streak now is 1. So if she does that again next stream, it'll go up to 2, and it'll show that little streak. Isn't that great? Midwest, your entire thing crashed? Oh no! So yeah, it's really basic. I hate doing variables like this. Like all of the variables are in the same table with just names to a convention, but at the current level that the spot is, like these are just being saved in database.db here. It's a simple enough system, and it works. It works well enough. How's the family been? The family's been well. Congrats, Midwest. But yeah, so now there's a daily treat streak. And everyone is starting over, so no one will have any streak next time except me and my wife. And the stream after that. Oh, Midwest will have one next time too. So if we go to Simple State, we can see that Midwest popped in here with their last stream being the 19th. I wish I knew Rune's... You know what? I can look up Rune's Twitch user ID. I'm going to at least get Rune and Len set up so that they'll have a streak too next time. So Rune Terra. Most recent stream for Rune would have been today. And then we'll create a per user stream streak for Rune of 1. Oh. Constraint failed. Do you already have a stream streak? Yeah, lose the data. You do! Look at that. And then we're going to look up Len next. 0020. Oh my god, ads. So Len does not have a per user stream streak, so we'll add that now. Per user stream streak of 1. And then we'll make sure that Len has an entry here. There we go. So Len can now do that as well. And I'm going to check my dashboard real quick and see if I can't fix that for anyone else who redeemed their daily treat today. I just have to change my activity feed to be only, gosh, what is this called? So the shoutouts, reward requests. So if I scroll all the way back, I see Celso the Hound did it. So we'll get Celso set up. What is the Alt insert on Windows? Okay. Most recent stream for Celso was today. And then the per user stream streak for Celso is 1. Midwest. Let's see here. Bonk, daily treat. Oh, daily treat. Apple juice furry. So we'll go ahead and get them set up. Okay. Yawn, Richie. I know, it's late. Apple juice furry did get a stream streak set in here, which is interesting. But they didn't get an entry in here, which they need. So most recent stream for Apple Juice was today. Good night, Jackson. Sleep well. We're going to do the same for Bay Harbor. There it is. And then we're going to check that they have a counter, and they do. So, like, that was working, which is interesting. I don't know why that was working earlier. Len got first. Len got daily treat. Billy, are you not here? You didn't get a daily treat. And then Ryu is Tired is the last one that got a daily treat. So we'll just fix Ryu real quick. They don't even have a stream streak, so let's get them in here. And then get them in simple state. And there we go. That's everyone. So there we go. Starting next stream, there are several people who can get Streak X2, and maybe some people will lose their streaks next stream. It'll be good testing, that's for sure. So if you haven't redeemed your daily treat yet this stream, now's a good time. Because, like, if you don't, you know, you won't get the streak. But it's a neat feature. I'm glad I wrote it. I'm very happy. These are the types of things, like, There's small things that bring joy to people, right? So I'm very excited about it. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be fun, and I hope we all have a great time with it. On that note, I think I'm going to go ahead and I will wrap up stream tonight. I want to go ahead and say that I appreciate each and every one of you. You are all very wonderful. Thank you for watching me build a little miniature Lego version of myself, and for hanging out while I coded as well. We got a nice new feature into the bot, and that is always fun and incredible. Programming is cool. Don't let anyone tell you differently. On that note, my next stream is currently scheduled to be Thursday at approximately 8:30 p.m. U.S. Eastern Time. It's planned to be Dune. I can't really know for sure if that's what's going to happen. So I'll let you, like, if you're in the Discord, I'll let you know when I know. Might not be a stream next Thursday at all. We'll just have to wait and see. I think Krabby still has stuff to do in Dune, so we might still have a Dune stream, but I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. I might also try something new next Thursday, which would be to stream Dune in a higher resolution, but I'm uncertain about that. I can't do VR in a higher resolution at current, but I might be able to do things that I stream from the cloud, like Dune Awakening. I might be able to do that in a higher resolution, and I think that would be cool to do that in like 2K next time instead of 1080p. You know, slowly work my way up to 4K streaming. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. So yeah. If you're new here, what we typically do is I'm going to end the YouTube and TikTok streams first, and then we're going to raid out on Twitch, and I'll end the Twitch stream. But first, I have to let you know that I appreciate each and every one of you. Every person who has lurked, everyone who's commented, any gifts you sent tonight, each and every one of those is super appreciated. It means the world to me, and it lets me do so many incredible things with my stream. And I try to find new ways to make that worth your time. So if you have any ideas as to things that make that worth your time, feel free to let me know in the Discord server. You can join the Discord and follow any of my other socials by going to Nyavarr.com. You can see my name right there at the bottom of the screen. Easy to go to Nyavarr.com. It's also in the bio on any of my profiles on any of the things I'm streaming on. So yeah, Thursday, Dune probably, 8:30 p.m. U.S. Eastern Time. Thank you again so very much. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to end the YouTube and TikTok streams and read out on Twitch. So have a wonderful night or a great rest of your day. Goodbye.